Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and then locate the power saving mode, which for me is on the third page, and it's labeled as battery saver. You can just click on it. It brings up this window letting you choose to enable the normal power saving mode, which is selected by default, and maximum battery saver. Now this one will be usable maybe if you get stranded on an island. Otherwise, you probably are interested in the standard mode. So once enabled, it changes the filling of the battery to yellow, and well, that's about it. Now when you're done using this, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will obviously turn off your power saving mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.